Hey guys, welcome again to another engineering economy video. Today we're gonna the topic is continuous compounding. So what is continuous compounding? Continuous compounded continuously. Okay? So ang interest niya is compounding continuously. So ang formula is PERT. Kasi yung E is the ito yung may value sa calculator na this is palagi itong ginagamit pag compounded continuously. Okay, so the present worth is 10,000 multiplied by E. Okay, sa calculate na yan, which is raised to R. The rate is 5%. T is for 3 years. Okay, so the answer is 11,618.34. This is only approximate. Okay, but this is the amount pag continuous compounding. Ito yung E. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. See you again on my last video sa engineering economy. Follow me for more videos and to support my page. Thank you guys.